Good morning, students. Today we will continue lesson number 5, MS Word 2010. And today we will discuss printing of a document. Printing of a document means getting the hard copy. Hard copy का मतलब होता है getting the content that is on a screen on a paper, also known as a printout. To get the printout, we have to use some other features also, like setting the page margin. What is the definition of page margin? Actually, page margin is a space between the edges of page and content of document. Content और paper की border के बीच में जो space होता है, that is called page margin. There are like 4 types of page margins are popular: left margin, right margin, टॉप मार्जिन एंड बॉटम मार्जिन. लेफ्ट साइड से कंटेंट और लेफ्ट बॉर्डर के बीच का स्पेस लेफ्ट मार्जिन है. राइट बॉर्डर एंड कंटेंट स्पेस इज राइट मार्जिन. टॉप बॉर्डर और कंटेंट का स्पेस टॉप मार्जिन, और बॉटम बॉर्डर और कंटेंट का स्पेस क्या कहलाता है? बॉटम मार्जिन. सो इफ यू वांट टू प्रिंट एनी पेपर, वी कैन सेट अ पेज margin also. Now see in this example, we have to set a page margin. For setting the page margin, we have to go to the page layout tab, and as you can see in page setup group, margin option is there. So we will click on a margin option to set the margin of the paper. Now how can we do it? As you click on a down arrow, there are already prescribed options are given. You can choose any one of them, and if you want your own margin, then you should click on a custom margin option that is located bottom of the list. Now we have changed the margin of the given page. See, there is a more space in left side and right side. So we have increased the left margin and right margin. Now another feature that we can use before printing is a page orientation. Page orientation क्या है? The way paper will print. There are 2 types of orientation: landscape and portrait. When we have a paper which is more than length and content can be easily fit horizontally, जब हमें लगता है कि content horizontally अच्छे से print होगा, then we choose landscape option. And when we find that length is more than the width and content can be easily fit vertically on the paper, then we choose portrait option. For example, when we print school timetable, we use landscape option, but when we print class list, we use portrait option. So orientation depends on the content and size of the paper. See, this is the landscape orientation where content is fit horizontally on a paper, and this one is a portrait orientation where you can see content is arranged vertically because paper length is more than the width. For setting the page orientation, what you have to do, you just go to the page layout tab and click on the orientation option in page setup group. You can see there are 2 options are coming: portrait and landscape. We can choose any one of them. Now before printing, one more option we use: print preview. As the name is given, it shows a preview whatever the content we are going to print on the paper. जब हम मार्जिन और ओरिएंटेशन को सेट कर लेते हैं तो उसके बाद अगर हम प्रिंट प्रीव्यू देखते हैं तो वैसा ही दिखाता है जैसा कि कंटेंट पेपर पे प्रिंट होगा. एंड हाउ कैन वी ओपन द प्रिंट प्रीव्यू ऑप्शन? फॉर दिस वी हैव टू गो टू द ऑफिस बटन and we will choose print option, and in that we will click on a print preview. So before printing it is important to preview whatever we are printing. Now see, it is showing a preview before going to print. By this we can find out what is the margin of the page, what is the orientation of the page, and if we feel that we should change the orientation or we should increase or decrease the margin, we can do this work before printing. When everything is finalized, we will print the document. So for this we have to click on office button and then we click on a print option, and when you click on a print option, print dialog box will come. What we can do in the print dialog box? पेज रेंज. हमें कौन कौन से पेज प्रिंट करने हैं, हम ये रेंज सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. वी वांट करंट पेज, वी वांट ऑल पेज, इवन वी कैन स्पेसिफाई द पेजेस ऑल्सो कि हमें पेज नंबर 1, पेज नंबर 3 या पेज नंबर 4 प्रिंट करना है. दिस वी कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉमा. सेकेंड इज नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज. हमें पेज की कितनी कॉपीज निकालनी, फोटोकॉपी, दिस वी कैन सेट. By default it is 1, so there will be 1 copy of page will print, but if you want we can change it. Printer, if we have a more than 1 printer or we want, we can choose the printer from the printer option, and when everything is finalized we will click on a print button for printing. See, this is the picture of print dialog box. You can see there is a name list box where we can choose printer. In page range we can choose all, current page, or we can specify the pages. Number of copies, as you can see there is a 1 written, we can change, and then we will click on a OK button for printing, and then we can print our document. Now children, one more feature is also useful, that is format painter. When we have to copy the format of any one text to another text, we can use this feature. कभी आपने कोई एक पैराग्राफ अच्छे से फॉर्मेटिंग कर दिया और आपको उसका फॉर्मेटिंग अच्छा लग रहा है, तो आप उसी का फॉर्मेटिंग किसी और पैराग्राफ और टेक्स्ट को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉर्मेट पेंटर. अगेन यू डोंट हैव टू अप्लाई ऑल द स्टेप्स फॉर द टेक्स्ट. आपको दोबारा उनको अप्लाई नहीं करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन सिंपली यूज फॉर्मेट पेंटर ऑप्शन, एंड इन दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू select the text whose format you like, then you click on a format painter button, and then you drag it to the text you like to apply. That format will be applied to the text. See, just see carefully. In home tab there is a clipboard group, and on clipboard group you will see format painter option is given. We will use this option to apply formatting. In this picture you will see that we have formatted the computer word, and now same we want to apply to the browser. So for this we will use a format painter option, and same formatting can be applied to the browser word also. So children, our topics are over, and in this chapter this is the assignment you have to do in notebook, and as the chapter is over, please do MCQ in the book, so later we can just take the test and you can give the test properly. Thank you.